Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 version on Zorin OS 18. But the installation process is same on all Zorin OS versions. Okay, first to open the default web browser that comes with Zorin OS, that is Brave web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release of the PostgreSQL Server is 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then see here we don't have Zorin OS. Then open terminal. Then verify the version mod/etc os-release. See, its version code name is Noble. Noble means it is like Ubuntu 24.04. See here, its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay, so select Ubuntu. Then scroll down. See here we have the list of the commands. Those needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server 18 on Zorin OS. So copy these commands one by one and execute. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Control A. Now import repository signing key by executing these two commands. Now create repository signing key. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server 18. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. If you want to install 16, give 16. I want to install latest version, that is 18. So hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay. So type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18, and also here the default value set like max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 MB, time zone. This is the time zone based on Zorin OS system settings, and this is the data directory. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. See here the version, it is 18.0, but it is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. First verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select use name from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password. Alter all means we have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases by using \l or see, these are the default databases. You can also get the same by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Sorry, it is dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same list of the databases. Okay, now create database. Create database, then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank, and this is the one of the database quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect. Either is same. You are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. Create table See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the owner of the table. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now create user. Create. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use \q. PSQL-H. H means hostname. Localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Or you can give IP of the machine, or server name, or machine name. Okay. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database name, Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that you have created in this database. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18 on Zorin OS. Can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay. Now also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo -postgres PSQL. See, you are unable to connect. Exit. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. If you to quit, Ctrl+A. Now restart PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 1 second ago. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo -postgres PSQL. Now verify list of config files and data and log directory locations. So config_file. See, this is a configuration file name which contains server level configuration parameters. If you want to find the HBA file, HBA means host based authentication file. See, both are in the same directory. Now verify the data directory. Data_direct log directory. Show log_direct. Exit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbover. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgadmin or dbover on Zorin OS. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18 on Zorin OS 18. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.